Hello and welcome back to 100% Info. In this video I will show you how to add the Google account onto your Samsung Galaxy Tab S11. Let's begin! First, we want to simply go into our settings here. Alternatively, you can, for example, enter Play Store and then click sign in from here. But just for convenience, we can try to do it the official way, let's say. And by that I mean heading into your settings, scrolling almost all the way down and then entering Google. In here we should see the sign in button. We must now input our pattern just to confirm our identity, and then you can input the Gmail credentials. And by the way, as a little fun fact, you do not have to manually type in @gmail.com, because if the first part is actually correct, the Google will just put the other part automatically, meaning that you don't really have to do it every single time you log in. That's a pretty nice fun fact, and I think it's pretty convenient. But anyway, now you want to input the password to your account. Remember that if you forget your password, you can always go into forgot password, and then you can go through the process of retrieving your password back. Anyway, now we can simply go and hit next. We have to agree to terms of service, place terms of service and privacy policy. And we also want to be happy. Literally, I thought that something else would happen, but you don't have to type in anything else. You can now freely use anything Google rated, and you should be automatically logged into everything that's coming from Google into your Google account. Anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time.